Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. This is a big one, guys. This is a big one. I've got my pearls on. I've got my topsy tail in. I'm feeling very royal. This is fantastic. Before I get into it, I would like to thank today's video sponsor, which has to do with what I'm about to show you, but it is Paris Bazaar. They are a luxury concierge business company over in France. I found them on Instagram. I have followed them for quite some time now. I will leave all their links below. I deal with beautiful Irene there. Hi. And I have just been so blown away with their service and the consistent communication over, I want to say probably 6 months that I have been on the trail for something from Paris 31 Rue CAMBON. That's it, period. Packaging and everything, and Irene was just so tolerant with me, back and forth with emails, and you know, I said, I'm sure you get this, but I'm totally crazy, and I didn't get the chance the last 3 times that I've been to Paris, thankfully, to even go there, but I didn't go into Rue CAMBON, and I regret it. I do regret it, and the current situation, I'm not going to be in Paris anytime shortly, so Paris Bazaar, they are fantastic, a personal shopping company based in France, and if you want to get items that are made in France, especially from Louis Vuitton, her inventory and the inventory that they have and can find and the sales associates they deal with, because some people ask me, how does it work? How does a personal shopper work? They put a fee on top of the item for you. Especially internationally, the fee is irrelevant, because if I was to buy anywhere else and could not get the item, I would end up buying it pre-loved, probably at a premium anyway. So what they are doing is they are shopping for you, but however at the same time they have a great contact of you know, sales managers and high up people in all these different luxury houses to be able to source you hopefully the item you are looking for or the collection you're looking for in all the different houses. So thank you to them for sponsoring this video. I'm going to get into this package that landed on my doorstep this morning from DHL Express, who is who I ship with. I have said that before, many a time actually. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. It is taped up like a mummy, girl. It is taped up like a tomb. Let me see. Okay, I've just unpacked. The box is probably a little bit too small to fit the shopping bag. Oh my god. This is sensational. This is so sensational. It's a little bent there across the front, as I said, but Chanel 31 Rue CAMBON. To all those people out there, luxury enthusiasts that have been to the actual boutique of Chanel's headquarters and sat on the stairs and all those things, amazing. And I know I kind of like jumped the queue to get a personal shopper, but I tell you what, I'm just really happy. Like I know it's a sickness to be wanting packaging like that. It's crazy, but it's true. And so gorgeous. So gorgeous. She was so, it was so funny, and I'm saying holiday packaging, and she was like, yes, holiday packaging. So what you can see is like a bit of ribbon on top, but that's because that was probably what they would tie on the bag, the shopping bag. She didn't probably want to get that all crushed, but it's the beautiful cursive writing Chanel and stripes ribbon. It's got the mini dipped camellias. That is so gorgeous, because I have the big one behind me from the holiday packaging. These are the little mini ones that I didn't actually have one of. Oh, This is just so pretty. I have to turn my lights right down so you get a good shot of the holiday packaging with 31 Rue Cambon, Paris, Chanel on the box there. This is just holy grail status. For any designer, you know, enthusiast or person that just loves design houses and appreciates the art, okay, the dynasty, the art, the history, all of the above, and the story that goes with it. This stuff is just, this is what it's made of. So to be able to have this packaging and not, you know, not be able to get over to France for probably quite some time with a 2.5-year-old, 2 and 8 months and newborn, this is just beautiful to be able to have this. So here we go, here is the box. Chanel 31 Rue Cambon, all white, which is, if you know Chanel, the white boxes, white shopping bags are only from Rue Cambon, unless it is Chanel Beauty. Some people get that confused, where it just has, like I've got Chanel Beauty down here, they're in white bags, but it doesn't have the address. So just sensational. And the item that I had Irene find for me is in this dust bag. I have all of my, I'm assuming, receipt. This is the care booklet for all of the care instructions that always come with Chanel items on how to take care of your leather. And then this is probably my proof of purchase. It is my proof of purchase here in the little card with the camellia on it, and that will say from Rue Cambon. So that's the actual, yay, so from 31 Rue Cambon. She included a little card. That is gorgeous. Oh, how lovely. Oh, beautiful. Even a card as well. I love that. And the item that she had on her like stock list to be able to find and get for me is a very useful item, and it's in this drawer pouch, drawer dust bag, and it is, ta-da! Oh, beautiful. So this is the black caviar leather diamond quilted stitching with the, is it champagne? God, you really need glasses. Yeah, champagne light gold hardware in the cosmetic case. So this is actually classified as the small cosmetic case, as opposed to zip, you know, the O zip pouch, as opposed to this, which is the O zip, you know, small mini O zip. Let's even see if there's a reference on this, because it will be O Taurus. The Eau Taurus, that's what they're saying it's called. Oh my god, it actually has a name. The Eau Taurus. And I know that, like, in Vuitton, the Tauruses are the cosmetic cases, or the jewelry boxes, or the vanity cases. Is that right? Is that right, French speaking people? So I'll give you a nice close-up shot so you can see it there. So I think this is from, I think it's a classic piece, but I think this one is like going to be an earlier, like a recent series. I'm not going to say it's from the cruise line because I'm unsure of that. If you do know, please go ahead and let me know in the comments below if you know exactly what collection or act this little cosmetic case is from. And ooh, there we go. So it's got a beautiful zipper. It's got some tissue down inside. Oh my gosh, I love this because it's the complete wipeable lining, and it's like a puffy quilted lining as well, if you can see it up close there. Like super cosmetic vanity. If anything spills, you can just wipe it out, whereas with the mini zip cases there, that's fabric. Here is my authenticity card. It is a 27 series, so that's what I mean by recent. So whether or not that means it's in the cruise collection, I'm unsure. It's got one little elasticated pouch there on the back wall, so you could put like bobby pins or hair ties for down inside your bag to not get lost. It's got Chanel made in Italy. A lot of the SLGs are going to be made in Italy, but that is it. All the way from Paris, Rue Cambon. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I just want to say the biggest thank you to Paris Bazaar, Irene, the whole team up there in the company. You guys are phenomenal. If you are ever stuck, honestly, personal shoppers are there to help. They're there to find. If you're interested, inquire. It's not a, a quote process where you are locked in and have to buy the item. You can find out. You can say no once you see pictures. Most of these, luxury concierge companies and people and their businesses, they've done this for a very long time, so they have good connections and fantastic customer service. So that is it. That's my new little baby. So gorgeous. And of course I'm going to dress this bag up now and it's going to sit behind me. And I don't know if you are a package sucker like I am, but I tell you what, there's different types of things that I kicked myself for, especially in Paris, France, and that originally was not going to the Champs-Élysées Louis Vuitton right back on my first trip with my mum, and then obviously not going to 31 Rue Cambon with my husband the last time we were there. But listen, by the end of our trip, that man was so over going in luxury stores in Paris. He just wanted to ride our bikes and go around and see things and explore, so I had to just give up. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, guys. If you enjoyed it and you're as excited as me about my packaging, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below. That would be great, guys. I'd super appreciate it. And if you tell your friends to subscribe to my channel as well. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.